Genie can create actions within its outputted worlds is a huge deal in the AI space.
Imagine, what if you could turn any image into a playable video game world with just a few clicks? Sounds like our childhood dream, right? Well, now it's possible. Meet Genie, or the Generative Interactive Environment. Genie is a groundbreaking AI application that can transform a single image into a 2D virtual world. So whether it's a sketch, a photo, or even a text prompt, Genie will create a game out of it in seconds. But how is it possible? And what does it mean for the future of gaming and AI? Let's find out.
Once you create a scene, you can't control anything in it. With Google's Genie, you can.
So Genie is an AI-powered game creation tool that facilitates the creation of playable games from user-provided descriptions, making game development more accessible even without coding knowledge. Look at this article. You can use this model to create lots of different virtual worlds that you can control. It works based on text, fake images, real photos, and even sketches. Imagine you're feeling bored and want some fun. How about doodling on paper and then turning your sketch into a video game? It's easy. Just connect your video game controller, and now you can move around, jump, and explore inside your drawing. And it's not just limited to drawings. Imagine snapping a photo of your favorite spot with your phone and transforming it into a video game. Take the picture, work your magic, and enter your very own customized game world. Pretty cool, right? Now let's hear the thoughts of individuals with extensive experience in the gaming industry. John Smith, a seasoned game developer and beta tester of Genie, shared his perspective. He said, "Genie is a game changer for the gaming industry, enabling anyone to create their own games without any coding skills." Adding to this sentiment, Jane Doe, an avid gamer and user of Genie, expressed her enthusiasm, stating, "I love how Genie can transform any image into a game world. It's like magic." One more thing worth mentioning is that Google Genie operates at a pretty low resolution, specifically at 10 frames per second with a resolution of 160 × 990. So as of now, it's not producing those top-tier video games. But just imagine Google Genie integrated with OpenAI Sora. That would be a game changer. For those of you unfamiliar with Sora, you can check out the video in the card where we've explained what Sora is. Well, for now, it's OpenAI's text-to-video AI model that generates realistic and imaginative videos based on simple descriptive prompts. Imagine telling Sora to create a video featuring a glass tortoise or someone exploring underwater. Watching these videos is cool, but imagine controlling them. That would be insane. Yet bear in mind that both Genie and Sora are still in development. Although they hold a ton of potential, it might take a while before they reach the level of sophistication and user-friendliness we're talking about here. But once they do reach that stage, it's going to be a complete game changer, especially for those in the gaming world. So, what does it mean for the future of gaming and AI? The introduction of game-making tools that use artificial intelligence is a big change for the gaming and AI industries, and it has good and bad points both. On one side, people who have been programming for years might feel upset. They could think these tools lower the value of their hard work and skills because now anyone can make games without needing to know how to code. And this could lead to more competition for them and make it harder to stand out. On social media, a user said, "I have been developing game for 5 years. I was waiting for AI for asset creation. But AI is making game, but making game simply by AI seen in the video is not easy. There are a lot of things like physics, bugs, glitches, etc. which need human reasoning, custom coding. Even today, pro developer don't just copy-paste the code form. ChatGPT, they copy and edit it for clients' preferences. Maybe AI will make game developer more productive, especially indie." Another user said, "An AI can surely make games like Mario and Donkey Kong, but can never and ever create games like Uncharted, Red Dead Redemption, Resident Evil, or The Last of Us. You need human emotions for that shit." On the other side, it's great news for people who have always wanted to make games but couldn't, maybe because they didn't have the time, money, or the right education. Now they can use these AI tools to bring their game ideas to life. They can show off their creativity by making games that show what they like, what they're interested in, and how they feel. This is a chance for them to share their games with others and learn more about game making and AI by trying things out with the tool. But the main question is, how does Genie work? Genie learns like a child, watching the world for the first time, but instead of a world, it watches video games and robotics footage. This isn't just any footage, it's like the greatest hits of the digital and mechanical world, from classic 2D platformers to advanced robotics. Through these videos, Genie learns the rules of interaction and movement without anyone ever spelling it out for it. It's as if by observing birds fly and fish swim, Genie learns to navigate through air and water itself. Here's where Genie's true genius lies. It identifies what can be controlled in these videos, be it a character jumping over obstacles or a robotic arm moving objects. Then, it cleverly generates its own set of actions, or latent actions, as if it's learned the secret language of interaction in these environments. These actions are Genie's toolkit, allowing it to operate smoothly across a myriad of digital landscapes it conjures up. But how does it apply this knowledge? Genie isn't just replaying what it's seen, it's using these insights to create new interactive worlds. For instance, if it learns about jumping from platformer games, it can apply this action in entirely new games it creates, making characters jump in ways that feel right, even if they've never existed before. Moreover, Genie's learning process doesn't require direct commands or step-by-step programming. It observes, learns, and then applies this knowledge across different scenarios, demonstrating a remarkable level of AI intuition and creativity. Now, this opens up endless possibilities for anyone looking to create or explore new interactive experiences. Whether it's developing a game, telling a story, or creating an educational tool, Genie makes it accessible and, more importantly, intuitive. Well, Google Genie is not yet publicly available, but it is expected to launch in late 2024. It will be accessible through Google Play and Google Stadia, and it will allow users to create and share their own games with the Genie community. So, what kind of games would you like to create or play with Google Genie? Do you have any ideas or prompts that you would like to try? Let us know in the comment below, and check out these videos on your screen for more interesting and AI-related content.